Okay guys, so we're back on the subject of music. Who else feels like music is missing something nowadays and you can't actually find the right music or the right artist that you want to find online? It's getting really complicated. There's too many applications. So that's the reason why I've decided to give this out. You know, if you haven't got access to a radio, or maybe the radio is not playing songs that you want to listen to. So that is why we're going to walk you through exactly how to use Spotify. Spotify is the application that we're going to be talking about this week. So let's have a look and see how to use that application right now.
Okay, so let's get started with this very quick, very easy tutorial on how to get started with Spotify. So first you want to enter an email account and then enter yourself a password. Then enter your date of birth and gender. At that point, then you just create a name for your account. I'm just going to put Super Tony for now. You'll then be presented with the terms and conditions, and then after that, the privacy policy. At the top of the screen now, you'll see an email that comes through to my account, my email account that was given. You need to go to this email to then confirm your Spotify account. Now below that on the Spotify application, you can now see a group of artists. Select your favourite artist out of the selection or scroll down if you don't see an artist that you like. This will give Spotify the preference in music in which you like. What Spotify will do then is build a library of songs that you prefer. And this is basically just an easy, quick setup tutorial. And now you can see that it's finding music just for me, and it will do the same for you based on what you've selected. And here we are, here are the selections of music that Spotify has chosen for me. And you can go through the charts and so forth if you don't see what you like, or go one step further and use the search bar.
So there you have it guys, that's Spotify, that's how to use Spotify. We've given you a quick walkthrough. Hopefully that's been helpful and helped you find the music that you've been looking for, the soundtrack to your life. And yeah, that's the end of the episode for today. Hit that subscribe button, guys, that's really helpful. And also click that bell next to the subscribe button if you don't know what it looks like. There it is on the screen right now. Bing! That bell will give you notifications via email of when we've uploaded a new video, and it will also let you know what the video is about with the title and short description, so you can see what the video is about and if you want to watch it. Hopefully you do, and hopefully it's helpful. So yeah guys, see you again next week Sunday 3 PM, and we'll have a video for you guys again.